from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
COVID numbers in Henrico heading back up after a 3-month decline. We'll have details in today's Henrico News Minute for Tuesday, November 23rd, 2021.
And now for the news.
After a steady 3-month decline, new COVID-19 cases are again on the rise in Henrico. The average number of new daily cases in the county has been rising for the past week, up from 36 1 week ago today to 52 yesterday, according to the Virginia Department of Health. And that has pushed the county back into the high transmission level after 2 weeks in the substantial level. Henrico's witnessed 3 days since November 17th with more than 50 new cases after having experienced only 3 of those days in the previous 3.5 weeks. Now, the high transmission level is the highest of 4 levels created by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention to illustrate the risk of contracting the virus in a given area. CDC officials advise wearing masks indoors in areas with either substantial or high transmission levels. The county's 7-day positivity percentage among PCR testing encounters is 5%, and among rapid testing encounters, 4.5%. Those are below the statewide averages of 5.9 and 6.2%, respectively. Almost 70% of all county residents now have received at least one dose of COVID vaccine, and just more than 62% are fully vaccinated. The number of children ages 5 to 11 who have received their first dose has grown to nearly 5,300 as of Monday. That's about 18.5% of all children in that age range in the county. On Friday, federal officials announced expanded eligibility for booster shots among people 18 and older. If you were fully vaccinated with the Pfizer or Moderna vaccines and it's been at least 6 months since your second dose, you're now eligible. And if you received the Johnson & Johnson 1-dose vaccine at least 2 months ago, you are also eligible for a booster. You can visit vax.rchd.com or vaccinate.virginia.gov to find locations. Well, an anonymous donor family has continued its tradition of donating Thanksgiving meals for Henrico families in need to the Henrico Division of Police, and last week police officials made those deliveries. They gathered November 19th to receive the donated items and spread out throughout the county to distribute nearly 30 meals. In a statement, the police official said, quote, "The collaborative deed is an opportunity to foster long-lasting relationships and demonstrate we are one community," end quote. Thanksgiving will delay by 1 day the residential recycling collections for customers of the Central Virginia Waste Management Authority. If you are a Blue Thursday or Blue Friday recycling customer, you'll have a 1-day delay. Collections will take place the following day instead. If you have questions, you can call 340-0900 or visit cvwma.com. Henrico County has named its new Director of Finance, and she is Sheila Miner. She'll start December 17th, replacing Megan Coates, who left earlier this year for a job with the University of Richmond. Miner comes to Henrico from the city of Colonial Heights, where she served as Finance Director there for more than 4 years. And yesterday was the first day of the Dominion Energy Garden Fest of Lights show at Lewis Ginter Botanical Garden. First day that it was open to the public. The event runs nightly from 4 to 10 p.m. through January 9th. It'll be closed on Thanksgiving and Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. The event features 1 million lights, botanical decorations, model trains, and much more. For details, visit lewisginter.org. Tickets are $5 to $18, and children under 3 are free.